Hello guys, welcome back to G-Double Computer Tutorials. In this presentation, we are going to write a C++ program to print natural number from 1 to n in a reverse. Right? Do you know what does it mean by this term reverse? If we say a reverse, it looks like this. For example, when you write like 1, 2, 3, it's a reverse. It looks like this. It means we have to count from back to front, right? Like 3, 2, 1. Like this is what you call a reverse. So we are going to write a C++ program to print natural number from 1 to n, but in reverse form, right? So first of all, we have to make a variable declaration. As you see, let us int number. This is our number. Then we have also to ask user to enter this number by using south statement. South enter number, then end line like this. Or we can use let us use horizontal method. Just use this like this, just space, right? So after this, we have to read this number, seeing our number. Then now we are going to count those numbers from back to front, right? Yeah, we can now write like this message: south the reverse number from 1 to like this. Now we have to put here our n. It is given below like this. This is the statement, right? But in a double quotation. Yeah. Then end line here like this. Yeah, we can now put this into 2 words. Yeah, number is given below. Here is W, right? Yeah, now this is a message. After this, now let us display these numbers, right? For now, we have to use for loop int I, which is equal to that. Now means that we are going from back to front. That's why we start from our num entered. Then I must be less than or equal to 1, and also our I will be decrement, right? Because we count from higher to lower, right? That's why we write decrement. Then south our I, just our I, but we need to put here space, right? Then end line. Yeah, this is our program to display the reverse of number from enter the number to 1, right? So let us make its comparison and check whether there is some error or not. Let us call it reverse, then save it, check for errors. Yeah, you see here there's errors. Here we forget to set the variable name, which is I, int I equal to num, right? So you see now there is no another error. There is no other error. Let us run it to check an output. You see, first of all, we have to enter a number where number will count from. Let us enter like 5. You see, when you enter 5, you see it's from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, right? We can now change how this number displayed. You can just select this end line here. When we delete this line and run it again. Sorry, first of all, we have to make a comparison because this will return like what a previous gave us, right? Here, after comparison, now we can run a program and enter like a 5. You see, the reverse number from 1 to 5 is given below. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is how you can write the program to display the reverse number. So thank you for watching this video. Let me see you in the next one, which will be very amazing.